Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline, and in today's video we're going to be crocheting a skirt. It's going to be a circle skirt. That's like the original name for the skirt we're crocheting today. And I'll be using a 200 grams of yarn and then this 5.5mm hook, a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. If you have a measuring tape, perfect. Towards the end of the tutorial, I'm going to let you know how many skeins of yarn I used for this tutorial, if I used only 200 grams or more. To start up the tutorial, wrap this working yarn around these two fingers. You have a circle. Pull this working yarn through that circle and tighten up like this into the circle. Oops. You're going to adjust the circle till it fits the size of your hook by pulling the working yarn. Go ahead to measure around your waist and then try to make your chain a bit loose. If you don't have a measuring tape, just make a chain that's able to fit around your waist. That's first. And also make sure that that chain, when stretched, is able to go around your hip. Basically, you're going to make a number of chains that fit your waist first, then you add a couple more number of chains that you can stretch to fit around your hip. I really hope that's clear. So to make your chain, yarn over and pull through. Try to make your chain loose so it can stretch properly to go around your hips. So I just go ahead to make the number of chains. After making the number of chains for your size, you come to the top of the chain here. You can see V's, and then the back of the chain you have little bumps. Hold this first part of your chain, trace till you get to this very first chain that you made. So go into the first chain, grab your working yarn, yarn over, pull through this other loop. So you simply just slip stitch the ends together to create a circle. Chain 1, 2, 3. After that, we are going to work with a double crochet stitch. You can work with a half double crochet, a single crochet, whatever you choose. Place a double crochet into this very first stitch here that we slip stitched into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Place a double crochet into the second stitch, the second chain rather. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. If you have a stitch marker, go ahead to mark your very first double crochet stitch, not the chain 3, the double crochet. So finish up this round by placing a double crochet into the chain up until the end. After going around the chain, you're simply going to slip stitch at the top of this very first double crochet stitch. Go to the top like this, yarn over, pull through the other loop, chain 1, 2, 3, place a double crochet into the very first stitch you slip stitched in, and we're simply going to repeat the same pattern till we have a total number of 4 rounds. So you're going to do this 3 more times till you have a total number of 4. And this is my last stitch. Go ahead to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through the next loop. This is what the first 4 rounds of your skirt should look like. Chain up 1, 2, 3. Oops. So for the next part of our skirt, we simply place 1 double crochet into the very first stitch, and then we'll place 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1 and 2. One double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next, 1, 2. Basically, after chaining 3, the pattern for the next round, the 5th round, is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 2 double crochet into the second stitch, 1 into the next, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For the 6th round, chain up 3, place 1 double crochet into the very first stitch, place 1 double crochet into the second stitch, place 2 double crochet into the third stitch. To that same stitch, place another double crochet, 1, 1, 2. Which is the pattern for this round. For the 7th round, 1, 2, 3. And if you're wondering what we're trying to do, we're simply trying to increase our stitches to give our skirts that wavy look. Okay, this seventh round is going to be our last round of increasing. Yarn over into the very first stitch with a double crochet, into the second stitch with a double crochet, into the third stitch with a double crochet, into the fourth stitch with 2 double crochet in that same stitch. For this next round, the pattern is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 double crochet into the very first 3 stitches and 2 double crochet into the fourth stitch. After rounds of increasing, chain up 1, 2, 3. Basically, we did 3 rounds of increasing. So from the next round, we're only going to place 1 double crochet into every stitch up until the end. 1 double crochet in every stitch, no increasing, nothing. And you're going to place 1 double crochet into every single stitch up until you have the length of your skirt. Don't forget to always chain up 3 after you finish slip stitching at the end of the round. Chain up 3 and keep repeating, placing 1 double crochet into every single stitch till you have your desired length. When you have the length of your skirt and then you're at the last round, simply slip stitch first, chain up 1, leave a little tail of yarn, grab your scissors, cut it off, pull this through, tighten it up. Simple. This is how your skirt should look like. Okay, like this. Use your hand to manually just arrange the pleats. Depends on how you like them. So go ahead to make a number of chains that can go around your waist twice. To fix the strap on the waist of your skirt, we made 4 rounds for our waist. So this is first round, second round, third, and this is the 4th round. Come to the 2nd round. You can place at the 3rd round. It really depends on what you like. I'll place mine at the 2nd round. If you have your yarn needle, simply pull this through, grab your yarn needle, go into the 2nd round, look for the middle stitch or stitches, go to the back of your work, create a space, skip 2 stitches like this, going towards the back and then the front again. gently pull this through like this. I just want to use my hook, or manually. You can use your hand without the hook. Skip these 2 stitches, go to the back of your skirt, and then you just skip 2 stitches again from the back. Go into it. So you can finish up by keeping the straps inside. That's at the wrong side of your skirt. So when you tie, it comes off a bit invisible and stuff. Or you can just bring them out like this. It really depends on what you like, and simply tie. For this end of your straps, tighten up like this and cut off. Tighten up, cut off. That's an easy way to fix your straps. So if you have a yarn tail like this, like the beginning of our skirt, there's a yarn tail here, grab a smaller hook size. It can be, this is a 4.5 and this is a 2.0, but for my yarn size I need a medium size hook. Come to the back of your work. This is the back of my skirt. Come to the back of your skirt, go into the surface stitches, grab and pull through. This is an easy way to sew in your loose ends. Grab and pull through like this. And then when this is short enough for you, grab your scissors and just cut off. It's an easy way to sew in your loose ends. Or you can also use your yarn needle. Still an easy way. Simply pass the yarn tail through and repeat same process by going into the surface stitches. If you're at this part of the tutorial, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this skirt looks good on you too. Kindly like this video, comment your thoughts in the comment section, and please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. It serves as a form of encouragement to keep posting and putting out crochet content. So this is the skirt I initially crocheted before making the tutorial. For this color, I used 200 grams of yarn, and by the way, I used a cotton yarn to crochet this entire skirt. 200 grams of yarn for this color, and the next color I used 100 grams of yarn, and this last color I think it was a 200 grams also. So in total 500 grams of yarn to crochet this skirt. You can make it longer. Mine is not so long. You can also make it in a different size, and you can do all that with the tutorial I have just put out.